fairies. Be fair to fairies. Yeah, hello, so welcome to the site of the fairy protest against the construction of a huge, big road. I have with me Ida Jem Horder, the leader of the fairy protest. Hello. Hello, so Ida, you're an actual fairy. Yeah. Wow, okay, so tell us why you opposed to a motorway being built in this desolate, icy area where nothing can possibly live. Because, as most people in Iceland know, we fairies live in a desolate, icy area where nothing can possibly live. And this road is heading right for this dusty old rock, and this rock is our home. Be fair to fairies. Be fair to fairies. Wow, this is so sad. Back to you in the studio.